Okay, today I'll be making Greek chicken. In a bowl, mix 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a half a cup of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. Once you've placed all the ingredients in the bowl, mix it well, then pour the marinade over your chicken pieces. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil like I did. Make sure to mix well and submerge the chicken into the marinade. Now cover and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. After your chicken has marinated, place onto a baking sheet and then bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. After your 30 minutes, take your chicken out of the oven and baste the chicken with the leftover marinade. Now salt and pepper the chicken and place back into the oven at 425 degrees for 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.